What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Neil back with another banger, and as you can see, we're back in the F10 again. Once again, it's still raining. It's last time I just did a video, and if you enjoy that content and if you want to see her appear on the channel again, let me know down below, because I can make that happen. And make sure y'all go sub up to her stuff. But you know, about to go to the gym, quick little workout. You see this in the car, it's a mess. Like, I throw this stuff out. Might get a little bit of gas, but just wanted to stop at the gas station and clean this stuff out before we hop on the highway and head to the gym. You feel me? I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. And then there's a funny story I'm gonna get into when we get to rolling, but I'm supposed to take my permit test today for my motorcycle, but shit, you know how that went. Hold on. I'm about to get rolling on the road, give y'all a couple revs underneath the thing. Get a little awning. Straight burbles in this. Oh my god. And that was in comfort, not even in sport mode. My god. Oh, bumbleclot. Oh. Bumbleclot. You got sideways bumbleclot. Get sideways right here. Oh, bumbleclot. I don't know why it gets sideways like that. You get sideways here. Oh, bumbleclot. But let me get to it. So I went to the DMV today to go try to take my permit test for my bike, and I'm thinking today is Tuesday, but when y'all see this, it's not Tuesday, but whatever. But today's Monday, and I'm thinking today's Tuesday, so I go in there, stand in line, I fill out all the paperwork, and I'm like, yeah, I'm here to take my permit test. She's like, what's your name? I tell her my name. She said, yeah, you're not in the system. I'm like, what do you mean I'm not in the system? She said, pull it up on your phone, let me see. So I show her on my phone. She said, yeah, it's for the 6th. And I'm like, what? She's not the 6th. And she's like, oh no, it's not the 6th. You gotta come back tomorrow. I tried to see if I can take it today. It's on my ass. But ooh, 350 over there, the white 350. But I tried to take it today, but they weren't budging. So I gotta take it tomorrow. So it gives me extra day to study, because I didn't study. I did not study for this test. Gotta get over and take this test, because need that traction. Because it's raining out. It's really rainy. I don't know how much y'all can see. One day, I'm gonna be tough enough to drift this whole roundabout. Just in the E46, just drop a gear and just pull the e-brake and just all the way through. That would be fire. That would be so tough. Wouldn't that be fire? But so also, you know, I was doing some research because I want to switch up the look of the rear end of this car. And then I love the look of the quad tips, like on the M5s and stuff like that. It's just so tough to me. It's so fire. I love the look. So I'm like, okay, let me do some research and see if I could do it. And the whole time, even with the black one, I'm thinking you have to change the whole rear bumper and do all that. And I don't want to do that. I was like, I'm not even going to waste my time. I don't really care that much. Like, I want to do it, but it's not that much of a necessity for me. The necessity for me for the F10 is I need a sport front bumper, and then this had it, so that's all I really cared. But I'm thinking the whole time you need a sport rear bumper to get the quad tips and the diffuser and everything. So I'm on TikTok and scrolling, whatever, and this is one guy I know, or whatever, he has the same thing. And then he had, I'm scrolling through his account, and if you go deep down, he has the same rear end I have. I'm like, oh, okay. But I'm seeing that he had those quad tips. So I'm thinking the whole time he got a new bumper. But he posted a video, I'll put that on the screen, but it's just a diffuser, and once you change the diffuser, it gives you the space to do quad tips. So I hit him up or whatever to see how he did it, or I could just go on eBay or whatever. But he said I'm pretty sure there is a sport rear bumper, but I'm not 100% sure. But also he said that he like custom made his, and he could make me a custom one. So that's in the works right now. He's gonna make me a custom rear diffuser so I can fit my quad tips, and I'm gonna have my quad tips on this car. And then I'm getting the rear window wing or visor, whatever you want to call it. And I feel like the rear end of this car is gonna come together. I'm putting the lowering springs on soon, and the build is gonna be done. It's gonna be perfect OEM plus. And that's exactly what I want to do. Nothing too crazy, spectacular, all this. I just want to make this build so simple and just nice and like easy. Nothing crazy, because the black one I was doing everything I could do. I just want to make this build so like simple. So that's the goal. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks I'm able to install the diffuser and the quad tips. Maybe I'm gonna run around with just the gap for a little bit. But I'm gonna put a poll up on the screen. What do you think I should do, chrome tips or carbon fiber tips? Because I'm not doing carbon fiber diffuser, I'm doing the gloss black, like the wing mirrors and everything else. And I was thinking if I do chrome, I have chrome grills. I'm thinking if I could do chrome on the, what's it called, the tips too, to match the chrome grills, that'd be tough. And just keep that OEM look. And the chrome tips I found are like kind of fatty, so it looks like an M from behind. And not like I'm trying to, oh my bumbleclad, the traffic. But that's like low-key the goal, because I feel like that'd be so tough. Once I do that, I'm like, perfect. That'd be like the best thing. Stuck in traffic now on the way to the gym. Let me in. Yeah, no one wants to let me in. Is that gonna let me in? Not gonna let me in? You're really not gonna let me in? Thank you. Let's see how this is looking. He has Beheem here.
Your fucking 4K camera.
4K camera.
Is recording already?
Yeah. I just clicked the button.
I think that means it just turned on.
No, I clicked the tab on the record. See?
Oh, it's right, yeah. Okay.
But phone's at 3%. We're working on it. I'm trying to see if I can really see it. But and I was just in the F10 going to the gym. So we back. Chat, we in the we in the E40. You heard that? That's Axel. It gotta be Axel. Because of the camber, for sure. Why is that rubbing now? Why is it rubbing? So, chat, we back in the E46. I swapped the tires around because the tires were cooked. And now we finna go to go to what's it called, Harbor Freight, to go get a impact gun because we be freestyling this shit. I might get a little sideways in this for the one time for Jaheim. I might do it, but is the way this shit's looking right now, maybe not. But we in a stance car, so that's all that matters. Let me turn off all the traction. I'm gonna put the windows down because it's fogging up. Oh my god. Hey, I broke some. That was a bad idea, huh? Maybe we're not going to drift, guys. Yeah, maybe we're not going to drift. Something is... It's all a bunch of noises. I gotta... You gotta see quick. Ah, we good. I don't know what that was. Traction. God damn. You smell coolant too.
We did something, probably not coolant out.
Huh?
We did something back there?
Uh-huh.
Probably fell out.
Probably, but
I need a hard hit like that to knock that shit straight off. Send that will be in the truck.
yep, look. Yo, chat, this shit is so...
They got extra coolant.
Look right there by your foot. Type shit. That shit just dumped all the coolant. Oh. Like this car isn't on life support. We should have. I know what I should have brought. I should have brought the what's it called? To check the lug. This is my thumbnail. We back in business, chat. That lug, those was real loose. Oh, right, so much better. Now we back in the V, guys. After that whole mishap, I don't know what happened. I'm gonna cut a lot of that out because that was embarrassing. But cars running smoothly because obviously the lugs weren't tight enough. But that shit locked up real quick. Felt it? Them tires are really sticky now in the back, and this high PSI. I gotta lower the PSI. But they like to call me the Lulu. So now since I tightened the lugs, right, and I still have a little bit of extra coolant, right?
So it's not looking at nothing.
No.
So
With the runs. So that means, right, since we figured that out, right, and it's that, and we have extra coolant, so if the case may be, we'd be fine, right? Oh, that's the rim rubbing, but that means you know. Smell it.
It's in the car?
Yeah. And right now, so yeah.